everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for return and warranty queries. So I am an owner of a business and I receive a lot of queries related to the return and warranty policies in my business from my customers on WhatsApp. And replying to each one of them individually and manually is very time consuming and hectic task. So to solve this problem, I have created a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chat Flow. So now as I've created this bot, now whenever by the customer I receive a new message on WhatsApp, automatically this bot is going to reply to them, okay? The replies can be the bot is going to share the warranty policies and the return policies of my business. With that, it will share the details of my support team as well. So now if you want to learn how to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for yourself, for your business, then let me take you to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to automate return and warranty queries on WhatsApp using a smart interactive chatbot we are going to build with the help of Pabbly Chat Flow. So firstly, I'm going to show you how this bot actually works in real time. So this is the bot right over here, and towards this bot, let's suppose I'm going to send it as. So this is the inquiry. Here I want to return my item. I'm going to send this message to this bot right here. Automatically this bot has replied, hello, welcome to Tech Care Electronic Support. Firstly, it is asking for my name. So let's suppose for the name over here, I'm going to write it as test right here, okay? It says thanks test. It is asking for my email. For the email over here, I'm going to write it as test@pabblytunes.com. I'm going to send this email to this bot. You can see this message has been forwarded to me. I want to know about the written policy, so I'm going to select this button right over here. And automatically this bot has replied to me with my written policy right here, okay? So you can see this bot is automatically replying to all my messages in this manner. And now we're going to create this bot step by step with the help of Pabbly Chat Flow. In this video, I'm going to tell you all the steps. So for creating this bot, we are going to browse the website of Pabbly Chat Flow. For that, on a new tab, I'm going to browse the website of Pabbly Chat Flow, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So I'm going to browse this website on a new tab, and you can see that Pabbly Chat Flow's landing page is then going to appear in front of you. On the landing page, you have two options: sign in or sign up for free. If you're an existing user, you can directly sign into your Pabbly Chat Flow account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Chat Flow account. Then the All Pabbly Apps window is going to appear in front of you, in which you can see all the applications that Pabbly provides, from which I'm going to select Pabbly Chat Flow by clicking on this Access Now button right over here. Then Pabbly Chat Flow's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. What is Pabbly Chat Flow? It is a tool that helps businesses to send WhatsApp messages and manage WhatsApp conversations effortlessly. In Pabbly Chat Flow, we have to add our WhatsApp number. For that, click on this button. There are two ways to do that: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. You can use both of these ways in order to connect your WhatsApp number to Pabbly Chat Flow. To learn how to do that, both of the videos for both of these methods are added in the description box below. Over here in Pabbly Chat Flow, we provide you multiple features like inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, settings. Under settings, we have multiple options. If you want to learn in brief about each and every feature of Pabbly Chat Flow, you can check out the videos that we have already created and uploaded on our YouTube channel. Now to create a new bot in our Pabbly Chat Flow account, what we are going to do is we are going to build a new flow. For that, from the left side, go to flows and select this flows option right here. Then you go to land towards the flow builder page of your Pabbly Chat Flow account, in which you can find the total flows, active flows, inactive flows, and all the flows down here below. Now to create a new flow, go to this Add Flow button on the top right corner. A new flow has been created, and firstly, I am going to rename this flow, that is Policy Info Bot Return and Warranty Queries. This is the name of this bot right here. After naming the bot successfully, it says Flow Start. For triggering this flow, we have three options: keywords, regex, and choose template. So let's suppose you have entered few keywords in this field and the customer sends those keywords as a message on WhatsApp. This flow is going to be triggered from here. Let's suppose you have forwarded a broadcast message using a template to your customers, and you have chosen that template template in this flow start and a customer reply towards the template, then this flow is going to be triggered. And then we have regex. What is regex? Regex means regular impressions. It is a special pattern or sequence of characters used to find, match or filter specific text. Okay, I have a special character regex. As I'm going to add that over here, this flow is going to be triggered by any of the messages that we receive by a customer on WhatsApp. So I'm going to add that character right here. So this is the character, okay? As I've entered this, now this flow is going to be triggered by any of the messages that we receive from our customer on WhatsApp. If you want to use this character for your own flow, you can find it in the description box below, okay? So as now set up the flow start of this bot right over here, what is the message that this bot should send next to my customer towards their message? So I want to collect my customer's details first, like their name and their email address. So firstly, we are going to ask some questions in this flow. For asking question, on the left side, go to actions. You have this ask question option. Drag it and drop it in this field right here. Over here, for my first question, for asking the full name of my customer, I'm going to write it as Hello, welcome to Tech Care Electronics Support. Before we begin, may I know your full name, please? Okay, this bot is firstly collecting the data of my customer's full name. So now where this data is going to be added of the full name. For that, we have this amazing feature by Pabbly Chatflow, that is Contact Custom Field. In Contact Custom Field, you can create your own custom field and keep the record of your customer's detail in that field. In Contact Custom Field, I have created a field in the name of full name. So I'm going to select that full name Contact Custom Field right here. For the format, I'm going to select it as text right over here, as the reply that we're going to receive is going to be in text. Number of attempts is going to be 1, and the validation message, I'm going to write it as error. What is validation message? So let's suppose a customer replies to this message over here and it's not equal to the format that I've selected. They will receive a validation message of error right here, okay? So this is my first question that I'm going to ask about my customer's full name. In order to connect my flow start to this question over here, I'm going to simply from this point drag it and connect it to this question field right here. You can see an arrow. The flow start is connected to this question. After my first question, I want to ask another question. So I'm going to add the field, and now I want to collect my customer's email address. So I'm going to write a message over here as, so this is my message. Thanks $full name. What is this $full name? In this message, we're going to collect the data of our customer's name and we're going to add it in this contact custom field full name right here. So now what I want is, as the record has been added in this contact custom field, I want to extract it from here and add it in this message. How you can do that? Simply add the name of your contact custom field right over here. It's full name for me, you can see right over here, and in front of it I have added a $sign. Now the data is going to be extracted from here and added in this message. Thanks full name. Could you please share your email address so that we can assist you better? So now this bot is collecting my customer's email address. I have created a contact custom field of email. I'm going to select that. Format is going to be email. Number of attempts 1, and the validation message is going to be error, okay? So this is the message for the email address right over here. So now I'm going to connect both of these messages. So now after collecting the data of the name and the email address right over here from my customer, now I want to send them a greeting message with number of options, which is going to tell them about our return policy and the warranty policy. So now for that, from this point, I'm going to drag it and drop it in this field. Content type over here is going to be text plus button. And for the message over here, I'm going to write it as, so this is the message that I have. Welcome to Tech Care Electronics Support Bot. I can help you with product returns and warranty inquiries. Please choose one of the options below. Now for the options, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 3 buttons in this message. For that, I'm going to click on this add button option. I want to add 3 buttons, so I'm going to add all the 3 buttons. And now I'm going to name these buttons. Okay, we have to name the buttons right here. In a message, you can only add maximum number of 3 buttons. Okay, so now for the name of the buttons, I'm going to give it as, so these are my 3 buttons: return policy info, warranty policy info, and talk to an agent. So now what message should be forwarded towards my customer if they select this button, that is return policy info? For that, I'm going to drag this point and drop it in this field. For the choose content type, I'm going to select it as text plus button. Firstly, I'm going to tell the information about the return policy info. So for the message over here, I'm going to write it as, so this is my message right over here, that is return policy info. You can return a product within 7 days of the delivery, provided it is unused and in its original packaging. Okay, so you can see right over here, this is the return policy info right here. Okay, After that, I have a message for the warranty policy info. So I'm going to enter the message over here. I'm going to select the content type as text plus button. And for the message over here for the warranty policy info, I'm going to write it as. So this is the message for the warranty policy info. Most tech care products come with 1 year standard warranty from the date of the purchase. Warranty covers manufacturing defects only. Okay, so you can see this is the warranty policy information right here. After this, I have this message of talk to an agent. So I'm going to write a message for this button over here. For the content type, I'm going to select as text plus button, and the message over here is going to be. So this is the message that I've written for talk to an agent. You can get help from our support team at this email address support@example.com and this mobile number. If you would like to start a return or check warranty status, simply visit this website right over here, and then it's asking our team will respond to you as soon as possible during the business hours. Would you like to go back to the main menu? For the back to the main menu, I'm going to add a button. And for the name of the button, I'm going to write it as. So this is the button back to the main menu. I'm going to connect this button to this main menu right here. This is the main menu. I'm going to simply connect this button to this main menu right over here. So now what I want is, I want to send this message of the contact details of my agents with these two messages as well. For that, I'm going to simply add a button right over here in this message. I'm going to add a button of contact us. Why am I adding this contact us button? So that if customers wants to return something, they can directly click on this button and directly contact to our team. So I'm going to connect this contact us button to the same message right over here, in which I've entered the email of my support team and the mobile number as well. Okay, and over here for this message also, I'm going to add this button contact us. I'm going to copy this name from here, add a button and paste it right here, and connect this button to this same message right here. So this is the entire bot that I've created using Pabbly Chatflow. I'm going to rearrange the messages. So this is the entire bot that I've created right here with the help of Pabbly Chatflow for my return and warranty queries. To save this bot, I'm going to click on this save button on the top right corner. It says flow updated successfully. That means now this bot is successfully saved. As now this bot is successfully saved, I want to test this bot. For testing this bot, I'm going to use my WhatsApp number. So this is the bot. Let's suppose to this bot, I'm going to send a message as, hey, I want to know about the warranty policy. So I'm going to send this message to this bot. Automatically it says, hello, welcome to Tech Care Electronics Support. Before we begin, may I know your full name, please? Okay. So in this manner, I'm going to tell this bot my full name right over here. Demo user, I'm going to send this full name to this bot. It is going to ask me for my email address, which is going to be demo@pabblytudes.com. And you can see this bot is automatically replying to all my messages right over here in this manner. So that means we have successfully created this bot using Pabbly Chatflow. So that's how easy you can also build a fully automated return and warranty support bot on WhatsApp using Pabbly Chatflow for your business. And the best part, you can try this yourself right now, because Pabbly gives you 100 free credits to test and build your own chatbot. So go ahead, browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow and start creating your own bots. This was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other chatbots according to your need with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any question, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can ask us query on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you want to try to create this bot for yourself, for your business, you can do it absolutely for free with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.